Hi everyone, my name is Michele. In tutorial 12, I ended by showing how to form a belt with frame mesh and curve strap snap. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing without frame mesh. It is faster but sometimes a bit tricky to control. Let's start. Launch Zbrush and close the home page pop-up. Wait for Lightbox to load. Once it's loaded, click on Tool and double-click on Julie. Press comma to close Lightbox. Place Julie on canvas, click and drag down. With Julie's torso selected, press on Make Polymesh 3D. I should expand the canvas size. Let's create a new document. Document, new document with AutoFit on. Click and drag down on the background. Shift F to turn on polyframe. I forgot to press edit. Never mind, let's start again. It's in 2.5D, that's why I can't turn on polyframe. So I need to clear the canvas, Ctrl or Command N. Click and drag down on the canvas again and press T to edit. Then click on Make Polymesh 3D. Let's use only curve strap snap to create a quick curve line around the waist. Zoom in. Control right click and move right. Just to be clear, this torso is made up of many different polygroups. Let me isolate them individually. Command or Control Shift Tab. The legs, arms, and body to check that they are all in separate polygroups. The body is divided into front polygroup and back polygroup. So there are two polygroups and one polygroup intersection within the torso alone. Let's grab Curve Strap Snap, B, C, click on Curve Strap Snap. Change the draw size of the brush on the background, press S, slide to 10. Click on where you want the starting point to be and drag to the right or left. Once I have moved the cursor past the torso, press Shift to loop the curved line around the waist. Adjust the angle by moving your cursor up or down. When I'm happy with the placement of the curved line, I release my stylus. Tap on a curved line and drag it up or down to reposition. Tapping on the strap will also make the strap conform well to the surface of the waist. When you click and drag out the curved line, don't stop at any polygroup borders or intersections. Then press Shift, or else this will happen. The strap will align to the intersection and snap to it. It will snap to the edges instead of looping around the waist. Remember to drag the cursor past any edges or borders, then press Shift. Then just lightly tap on a curved line for it to match the shape of the waist. Let me undo that and try it on the wrist. Same thing on the wrist. If there's only one polygroup, it is easier to ring around the model. On the neck, with two polygroups, let me start at the intersection of these two polygroups and see what happens. I always try to pull it towards the angle I want the ring to appear. It works as long as I have dragged past the borders or edge of the polygroups. Then I can lightly tap on it to match it to the contours of the neck. Drag it down slightly. Let me Ctrl Z to undo. Let me test out ending my cursor on the edge of the polygroups. See how it snaps to the edges? Let's try again. Same thing, it snaps to the intersection. When I drag the curved line past the borders away from the model and press Shift, the curved line snaps around the neck, and then I just have to lightly tap on it to match it to the contours of the neck. Now that we are done with the details of how to use that quick trick, in the next video, I'll explore more about curve options if I'm not distracted with other tricks. I'll be exploring Depth tab in Brush menu. If you find my video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios!